Where is Lockheed here? Do you know? Anybody know?
He should be coming. He said he would be coming. He said he would be on. Russian green.
Alpha's right there with Matt. Bravo, follow. Charlie.
No, Alpha's with Tarkov.
Bravo's Tarkov.
I'm making you Alpha. I'm making you Bravo.
I'm gonna switch over to my AK. What's going on?
Tarkov's now Alpha, or no, you're Alpha. That's
Yeah,
right.
I'm Alpha.
I forgot. You're Alpha. You're Bravo. You're Charlie. That's right.
Hey, red team, we gotta move it out. Calling us up. Let's go, boys.
All right, stand by.
Five. Lock and load. Lock and load. Take this off. Let's shield.
Okay, if you're not in the squad, let me know.
You're gonna want to adjust the hop.
Hey, Tyson's carrying. Tyson's got his bag. Good.
What squad are you in?
I'm probably running with Charlie.
All right. Jaden, what squad is? Well, Caden, what squad are you in?
Alpha.
Charlie,
You
follow
go with
my
them.
name. I'm Alpha right here.
Patrick, give me a radio test for the
All right. You have to press this. There's a piece here. That piece?
Yeah, here.
That's your mic. That you press that. You speak into it.
So I only got 3 this time.
I'm coming.
You're with
give me
me.
a second.
We got 4, including me. Red, we gotta move it
All right,
out.
let's go. Vamos. Are you with us? Are you with us? Go with his squad, I think.
Are we calling each other by code names or actually?
I'm gonna actually put you guys with Tarkov.
What?
Putting you with Tarkov.
Why?
Cause, come on. Tarkov, the guy, or just find Joe. There he is. Okay, stay with him then. I don't know where he keeps going.
Are you looking for D squad? No, man.
You're going with him
Why?
because
Why? Are you in it?
Red, let's go. You're already headed out. Let's go.
hurry up.
Got like 30 seconds.
Come on. I already have binos. What spawn are we at? Do we know? Do we know what spawn we're at?
I have no idea.
Okay, let's just follow the crowd then.
Hey, what is the plan again?
I will explain when we get there.
That's all our plan is.
I'm gonna make one squad find the snipers. So it's gonna be a squad of 3.
Are we already moving? Is red team already moving out, sir?
Where's our spawn? Check the map, but it doesn't tell us which spawn we're at right now.
Follow the people with the red bands, man. Come on.
Alright, we're in the field. I'm pulling these off.
Oh, we got close spawn?
Where's Isaiah?
I know. Smells like still too thick. Nice.
You didn't see that.
Over there, dude.
I know. Trying to see how far he goes.
Actually, you know what? I forgot to put Ringus.
I got a mirror. There we go. Hey, you guys want to see my mirror?
No. Oh my god, no way. That's actually smart though.
Yeah, you never know when a spy's gonna come up behind you.
Yeah. Is the mesh mask supposed to be pressed up against your chin?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can only engage very close quarters. You want to see?
That's not very close. Very
But
close
it's
is
pretty
like.
darn close.
Oh my god.
That's mid.
That is terrible.
It says it's supposed to have a 2,300 and it has 1,000.
Hold this.
Wow, a rear view. That
Yeah.
looks sick. That makes you look sick. Ooh, pretty good.
Oh yeah, is this recording?
Not yet.
Check if this is recording.
It's not. It's turned off.
We had another
Turn off.
I was not good at all.
We're headed to spawn. We'll figure it out from there.
Do you guys know where this spawn actually is?
Map? Not yet.
I think it's on hill.
I have a map on here. Yeah.
Just follow the crowd.
We got two spawns around Hamburger Hill. One's at the rear and one's at the front.
Okay, is my camera on?
We got two spawns around Hamburger Hill.
Is my camera on?
Yeah, it's recording now.
Recording?
Yeah.
Is it red on the top?
Yes.
Okay.
It's recording. Come on, man. Listen.
Wait. I'm already out of it from running. Guys, I need to
Alright,
take
so
a break real quick.
A and B got to take containers first, and then A will push out to the east, to the west.
You're the one doing the plan.
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna have one squad try to find snipers.
No, that's too much. You want some manpower.
So either I'm gonna assign somebody to help Tyler, or
Oh, is Tyler going solo?
he's either going solo or I'm putting him with somebody.
Oh, okay.
I cannot see anything. Yeah. Oh my god.
Where's B? Or where's B going?
They got to go to containers, but Alpha's going to follow them so they can push
So
out
A and B
to
is
the
going
west
there?
after.
Or are they going here?
What?
I just gotta be
Bravo.
Bravo.
Goes to containers.
City.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Alpha
container
goes.
city.
Alpha goes to force.
What?
Alpha goes to force.
No, Alpha goes to container city as well, and then pushes out to force.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really use sights anyway.
Yeah, just get some iron.
No, I'm just really good.
Oh yeah, you put all your skill stats into shooting.
Yes. Look. That's mine. We gotta stand in line up. Like, we gotta understand actual tactics.
That's the grind, man.
Nobody's blocking each other's barrels.
All right, PCC. I need you guys. Where is all of them? Which squad were you assigned? Alpha?
Yeah.
And you're going with him?
Children of the Corn.
What? What? Thank you.
Traitor.
Oh, there you are.
Who?
Bitch.
Alright, I'm turning my shit on too.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do the new plan.
Yeah, show me the new plan. What is it again? Remind me.
Okay, where's squad lead? I need you. Where's squad? Okay, we
right
got
here.
two. Where's Ace?
He's walking up right now. He's the big burly man with the
Oh.
glasses, isn't it?
Ace.
Group meeting.
Alright. Strategical coordinator, you do this.
Alright, so how many squads we got present? Four, okay, so alright, so let's see.
4 not
We're
including
around
command.
here. Yep. A and B are gonna push to Container City. A is gonna push out once we secure that. C is gonna move into the center near bus and all that, and Delta's gonna try to take the desert. Good luck. Yeah.
Delta, how many people do you have?
4 now.
Okay.
Charlie, what do we have? Raise your
How many
hand
do you
if
have,
you're Charlie,
Sergio?
please.
4, okay.
Why doesn't anybody raise their hand if you're a part of Charlie? Okay, we got one.
Raise your hand, bitch.
Are you
anyone
part
else?
of our group?
Who's the
Yeah.
part of Charlie? Raise your
hand.
She's Alpha. No, she's not. She's Delta. Sorry.
fucking foggy.
What about him? He seems like he's part of the group, but he's not. It's weird.
Him? He's in my group. He's just a little
Okay.
confused.
So I only
He's
have
in my
one
group,
person that's a
he's
part of
in my
Charlie's
group,
squad right now.
Good thing you're coming with me.
Are
you gonna merge him?
I'm going with you.
Not. You're fine.
I'm going myself.
Okay, you could go with,
We go with Delta then. We gotta
yeah,
push
go with
forward.
Delta.
Let's go with Delta.
Whoever you have.
So if we're right here, we're just gonna push this one.
What do you want? What squad are you
Charlie
in?
squad, follow up!
Alpha.
Then you go with him.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, where's Adriana?
Where's the
I need you.
Where's my squad? I have
Follow
one.
D, I guess.
Alright, D!
D, I think, went over that way.
But isn't this where bus space is?
No, they're going to, yeah, you're D.
Yeah, I am D. Why is everyone coming to saying D when I'm standing right here? D went over this way. I'm standing right here. I didn't go anywhere.
Well, I saw some people that look like you. You guys are taking the, over there, at the desert.
Well, I think you dropped
Take
your
desert.
other
Why
squad,
do I go
roll
out
up,
to
let's
desert?
move out!
If you can take desert, try to push them a little, and then move to bus base.
Okay. Desert then up to bus base.
Yes. You're with me. I'm command squad. Where am I going? Where did A go? A squad lead, where are you at? A squad lead. Where did our people go? I'm just staying in the back because not gun loud. I'm splitting off. They've already thrown some smoke. Contact at bus base. D squad, how copy? English, please. Bravo, how copy? I see shooters on the ridge. Did you guys secure that?
What?
Desert.
No, there's one guy still camping out, but I couldn't get an angle on him.
Alright.
They're pushing up from there, though. It's like a big wave of them. Coyote gray backpack is gonna be on the front. Pass the foot in the building. Got him. Got him?
Nice shot.
Nice.
Alpha, Bravo, how copy?
Coming into the woods for sure.
Roger. How does it go at Desert? Are you pinned down? God dang, goggles fogging up. What? Where's who?
Spawn. Went in your direction.
Spawn?
Spawn.
Spawn, that's that way. Say again? How does it go at containers? They're flanking left.
nobody right now, dude. My goggles are completely fogged right now.
Yeah, mine are too.
That's like some shit.
I'm gonna take off.
are falling short. I can't hit them.
Where are they?
Do you see that hill?
You guys see the hill?
Yeah, right there.
The black guy right there?
Black. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
There's a man wearing black on the hill. He's behind trees.
My AK can't hit it. I don't have the FPS for it.
I might. Where is he exactly? You see him?
Pushing down! Pushing down!
D squad, how copy?
Fuck. We have a sniper.
I did. At home. Not at home, it's not the base. Home base. He's not gonna fucking kick me out for doing this.
What?
Look what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, no. I need to do that too.
I've been doing that constantly, but I'm sweating my ass off right now.
For me, I'm moving my mask off. So it'll be good.
Well, I can't see him. What color is he?
Hey, man!
He's red. Okay.
Hey, you see that guy up
What?
the hill,
Is this
guys?
illegal to do?
Up the hill to the
I
left.
don't think so. They're
Fuck. Repositioning.
flanking left. We have enemies flanking left.
I see people up on the hill.
This thing is not shooting any distance from the map. I'm gonna give myself a push on 3 minutes by primary.
He's got the primary here.
Get down!
Where do you see him? Alright.
Have we lost all contact with D?
Damn. You got a good gun?
What?
You got a good gun or two, guys?
No, I don't have the ampage on the volt. Here, if you want to try mine. Fuck no. Yours probably has longer range.
You have a good long range?
A and B, how copy?
You stay here?
Yeah, cover fire. How's it looking? All squads report positions. Roger that. I'm trying to get these unfogged. Yeah, I can only see that guy right now if I look a certain way. I'm moving to desert.